Xfinity Error Code C means your box isn't detecting the cable card or has lost the cable signal. This often stems from loose connections, software glitches, or service interruptions. As of December 2025, it remains a common issue, particularly in areas with older cable infrastructure. Recent Xfinity updates include improved diagnostic tools in their app, which can suggest fixes like cable checks or signal refreshes. If you encounter this error, start with the basics. First, check all cable connections. Unplug and firmly reseat the coaxial cable at both the wall and the Xfinity box. Ensure the cable is RG6 rated and undamaged. Next, refresh your box by holding the power button for 10 seconds to reboot it. If the error persists, perform a factory reset by holding the power button for 30 seconds or use the app/remote. This will erase settings, so only do this as a last resort. If these steps don't work, contact Xfinity support. Remember, checking connections regularly can prevent this error from occurring in the first place.